Hey y'all, here's how to make this wall hanging using dry pressed flowers and wood slices. So to start off, I'm using these wood slices that I got from Amazon. They're about 3.5 inches to 4 inches wide. So I'm just placing them in a circle shape, and then I'm going to use these shims that I got from Lowe's, and we're going to attach those to the back of our wood slices using hot glue. And this is what's going to be used as our frame for our wood slices to hold them together. And just to be sure that it's glued down enough, I do go along the edges of it and just add a little extra glue where I feel it needs it. For extra security, I'm using my staple gun to attach them to the back of the wood slices. So now it has a pretty solid hold, so we can flip it over and move on to our next step. So I'm using some Mod Podge and dried pressed flowers, and I'm just going to paint over the entire wood slice with our Mod Podge, and then place your flowers, and then you'll just seal those onto the wood slice using some more Mod Podge. So I paint over my entire wood slice just so that it looks even, because I use a glossy Mod Podge and I don't want it to be shiny in some places and not the other. And some flowers may be a little thicker and they may be more challenging to work with, so you will just have to work a little extra with those. What I tend to do is just add a little bit of Mod Podge, let it dry about midway until it's tacky, and then add another layer of Mod Podge to go ahead and seal it to the wood slice. So this is how it looks so far. You'll see the little gaps in between there where our shims are showing through, so I decided to add in some flowers just to fill in those spaces. So I got these pink flowers from Walmart. I thought that they would be perfect for this since they have more of a soft tone to them. They're not super bright, and I do generally try to go with that type of style when it comes to decor for my home. So I'm just trimming off little pieces and sticking them wherever I feel it needs just a little something extra. Now we just have to add a hanger, and I'm using this chiffon ribbon that I've shared with y'all in previous spring crafts that we've made, and I'm attaching that with my staple gun and a little bit of hot glue. So now it's all complete, and once I turned this over, y'all, I was so in love with how it turned out. And also thank y'all so much for all the love on my picture yesterday of it. I appreciate it so much more than you know. I could not wait to share it with you guys. It was just such a cute little project, so I'm so happy that y'all love it too. So thank you so much.